This is a 2001 Craftsman LT1000. The new idler pulleys for the cutting deck have arrived, so let's see if we can get this put back together. Always use the right tool for the job. Need to wedge a screwdriver underneath the bolt head to hold it up into the locking square. The old fixed idler pulley lost its bearing. You can see the bearing came apart. The balls aren't even round anymore. We got the new pulleys from Sears Parts Direct. They're different thicknesses. The fixed idler pulley has the groove in the center. It's a squish nut that's self-locking, so all I have to do is get it down and snug it up. I don't know what the torque spec is, so I'll just use the old German method. Guten tight. For the movable idler pulley, pull the clip and the washer. You're going to need a deep socket. Both of these bolts are 9/16. Thank God Craftsman tools are guaranteed for life. If you look at this pulley, you can see that the groove is offset towards the bottom. There's supposed to be a washer on top of the pulley. It was missing on this pulley. We'll have to get a replacement. Yeah. I'm going to install the spacer washer and the locking clip so they don't get lost. And I'll remove the nut from the fixed idler pulley so we can install the missing washer. Here's the replacement washer, 3/8 inch flat. Drop the new washer in place. Okay, the cutting deck's back together. We're going to throw it on the lawnmower and cut some grass. If you want to see how the cutting deck comes off, go back and watch part 5. The fixed idler pulley number is 532173438. The movable idler pulley number is 173437.